Hey guys, what up? Welcome back to the channel. So I'm here at a new location. I've been here before, but it's been a long time and I forgot about it. And I've never been here with RC cars. So I've been here with my family swimming and stuff, but it's been several years ago. It's an awesome park, guys. We're gonna have fun with this X-Maxx here at this park. We're gonna do some cool stuff, climb some trees, jump some hills, do some backflips, find some jumps. It's gonna be epic. Here, let me turn you around and show you what there's the lake out there, the lake. It's like a park by the lake. That's what it looks like, guys. Here we go. We're gonna get to bashing. There's the X-Maxx. Let's bash it. Here we go, guys. That sucked. See if we can climb the tree, guys. Or backflip it, one or the other. Here we go. Ooh, it didn't like that tree. Oh, that's why I got a screw hanging out. That must not be the right tree, because it ain't liking it. Oh. Oh, broke it, guys. Dang it, I was having fun too. Look at that, guys. I'm not sure what, but something in there is definitely broke. Yeah, the drive shaft's out and everything. So something broke loose in there, guys. I'll have to fix it. It's the end of the video. See you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching. I don't want to carry it, guys. We're gonna limp it back to the truck. Yeah, I really don't feel like carrying it. It's a heavy truck. So I'm gonna limp it back and talk to you guys while we do it. You guys make sure and leave me a comment if you enjoy this video. If you like this place, I'll come back here some more. I like it. It looks fun. I could do a lot of stuff here. And it's cool that it's by the water. Might be a new favorite bash place. And there's another place I found right by here that looks just as good and is more secluded. Like if I'm gonna do crazy stuff, big air or something. Yep, it's definitely broke, guys. Everything breaks on me lately. I just get the whole drivetrain upgraded and now the axles and stuff are gonna start breaking. Stupid. But I enjoy playing with them. I enjoy working on them just as much. I just don't like having to spend money on them so much. I want to get this channel successful and build some to give away.